Okay. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Okay. Good morning, student.
Thank you.
Geometry paper we will continue. Question number 3B, fourth question. Three B, fourth question. Diagram is given. This is 64 minus x given. Sorry, 6.4, 3, 5, and x. And parallel also given. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AB. Therefore, by BPT, from here you have to start 1, 2, CD, DA, CE, EB. Now substitute the value. 3 by 5 is equal to 6.4 minus x by x. Cross product. 3x is equal to 6.4, 5 minus 5x. This will goes this side. 3x minus 5x is equal to 6.4 into 5. You will confuse with x and product. So 8x is equal to 6.4, 5. 8 goes down. 8 8 is 64. 8 5 is 40. So final answer x is equal to 4. 40 but 4.0 because it is 0.8. 0.8 into 4 0.8 into 5 is equal to 4. Now question number 4. First, diagram is given. Student, regarding assignment book, when I come to the school in a regular lecture, at that time I will sign, but that book is for your reference. Don't submit because most likely questions I have given. If you will submit, so from where you will get the revision? So don't give the book to the in the school. I'll sign. APQ ABC. We have to prove area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle full ABC is equal to AP AQ. AP AQ, and this is AB AC. Triangle given, one second is given. Now, in this triangle, this into this, and in this triangle, ABAC. Here this is a common, here this is a common. Now both the time A is a common. And it is not given, it is parallel. So, common height we can take, wait, two segment are congruent. Diagonals are given congruent. So that AD and BC are equal. AD, BC are equal. And AB, AD is equal to BC. And AB parallel to CD. This we have to show. So, first, AC is congruent to AC and BD given congruent. Correct. If chords are congruent, respective arcs are congruent. So we will take opposite side. If this is congruent, so this means major arc BAD is equal to major arc ABC. Chord congruent, respective arc congruent. This is the reason. Now you break this arc into two parts. 1, 2. Major arc AB plus major arc AD. Major arc AB. This is made up of AB, BC. AB, AB cancel. So what is remain? That we want. So major arc AD, major arc BC. From statement number 3. So if arcs are congruent, now opposite segment are congruent. Therefore AD is equal to BC. If arcs are congruent, chords are congruent. 6. These and these are congruent. So inscribe angle are congruent. So ACD, angle ACD, measure equal BAC. If arcs are congruent, inscribe angle. Arcs are congruent. Suppose both are 30, 30. So 15, 15. And in same arc, suppose it is 60. So 30, 30, 30, like that. And it is a Z shape, alternate angle. Therefore, AB parallel to CD, alternate angle. I want to explain again. They have given AC, they have given BD equal. If chords are congruent, then this is equal. What you can say, x plus y. First, I will write B A D is equal to BAC, ABC, and this is made up of x and y. This is made up of x, y, z, x and z. X cancels, so y is equal to z. So y is equal to z. When arcs are congruent, chord are congruent. So AD congruent to BC. And when chords are congruent, respective angle, wherever it will form the inscribed angle, are congruent. So this forms the angle, this, and this forms the angle, this. So it is Z. If these two angles are congruent, these two are parallel. Z, that is alternate angle. If it is F, corresponding angle. If it is C, internal inscribed angle. Follow? Next. AB is equilateral triangle. P is on the base such that PC is 1/3 of ABC. They have given 1/3, so consider all as 3x. So AB is 3x, AC is 3x, BC is 3x. Follow? Now take P such that PC is 1/3 of BC. This is 1/3. So this is x, x, x. 1/3 part. 3x, 1/3. So this is your P. AB is equal to 12. It is given. Good. 12. 12. 12 by 3. So 4, 4, 4. Find AP. Find AP. First draw 90 degree. That is Q. Okay, step number 1. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 12. Given PC is equal to BC by 1 by BC by 3. So 12 by 3 is equal to 4. So this is 4 centimeter. And AQ perpendicular to BC. Construction. Therefore, it is a bisector. So QC is equal to BC half. If it bisect the base, it will divide into two equal part, right? So this much is 6, this much is 4. So this will be what? QC is equal to QP plus PC. This is equal to this plus this. We know this. We don't know this. We know this. So 6 minus 4 is equal to QP. So QP is equal to 2. Now we are finding this. This we got 2. And this is in this triangle. This is 60 up because it is a equilateral triangle. Opposite to 60 we want. So AQ is equal to root 3 by 2 of AC. Opposite to 60 is root 3 by 2 of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is 12. So this also we got. Now this is question. Now I have drawn QPA. So in right angle triangle QPA, QP square plus PQ square is equal to AP square. Pythagorean triplet, Pythagorean theorem. This is given 2 square. This is given 6 root 3. AP square, right? AP square. 2 to the 4. Root 3, 3. 6 6 are 36. 36 3s are 108. Correct. So it is 112. So AP check all the measurement. These are 12. These are 12. This is 1/3. 4 3s are. This is half. So 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And this is 12 into root 3 by 2. So 6 root 3. 6 root 3 square. 6 6 are 36. Root 3 3. 36 3s are 108. And 2 2s are 4. Add. Okay. Now you can just do the factorize. 4 into half is 56, 28. Again half. Correct. So 4 will come out 4 root 7. AP is 4 root 7. Now next. Question number 4. here it is perpendicular, here it is perpendicular, ABC. PQ. CPA. CPA, this triangle, and CQB, this triangle, we have to show. Here it is 90, here it is 90, and here it is X. P, Q, A, B, C. First we have to prove both the triangles are similar. Then we have to write the proportionality. See, from common C and C, then 90-90, P and Q, CP rest, CQ rest. In triangle this and this, angle A congruent to angle A, angle C congruent to angle C, common, and angle APC 90, CQB, CQB each 90. Therefore, triangle CPA similar, not congruent. Triangle CQB by AA test. Okay, now you can write the pair CP, PA, AC, CQ, QB, first, second, second, third, third, first, first, second, second, third, third, first. Okay. Sides of similar triangle. Then AP is 12, BQ is 12. Ravi, BC is 12. So we will substitute. AP is what? 7. QB is what? 8. AC we have to find out. BC 12. Okay, by substituting. By substituting the values. So AC. With 4 we can cut. 4 2s are 4 3s are 21 2. So 10.5. So with the proportionality, now trigonometrical equation is given. Observe in this, in this type of the proof, observation of diagram, that is very, very, very important. Question number 4, question number 5, B. Sorry, second. It is given cot square theta minus tan square theta. We have to prove cosec square theta sec square theta. We will prove both the side. From left to right also I will prove, and from right to left I will prove. First I will consider this. LHS is equal to cot square minus tan square theta. Here also two method. We know that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos x square theta, and we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So first minus second, this is identity 1, this is identity 2. So this minus this, so 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos x square theta minus sec square theta. So when you will open the bracket, 1 plus cot square theta minus 1 minus tan square theta is equal to cos x square theta sec square theta. So this will cancel. So cot square theta minus tan square theta cos x square theta. So hence it is proved by first method. Now by second method. Left hand side is this. So cot square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta by sin square theta.
Sir, 1 minute left.
So sin square theta is equal to cot square theta is equal to then tan square theta. Sin square theta by cos square theta. Now substitute, this is cos square theta sin square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta, cross product. So cos raised to 4 theta sin raised to 4 theta by sin square theta cos square theta. Now this I can write in two ways: cos square minus sin square, cos square plus sin square, and sin square cos square. I am writing in short. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So cos square minus sin square cos square. That you can separate. Cos square sin square cos square sin square cos square sin square. Here sin square will cos square will cancel, sin square will cancel. So 1 by sin square is equal to cos x square. 1 by cos square is equal to sec square. And from this side, cos x square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this minus this, cos x square minus sec square theta, 1 minus 1 is 0.